This tutorial will show you how to use the HTML content editor. We will cover how to paste text and tables, insert an image, insert a link, and format text. To begin, go to your sandbox and click on your lesson 1 that you created last week. Click on Build Content and then go down to Item. I want you to think about the lesson ideas that you formulated last week so we can start building content. If I would have picked the lesson of the Civil Rights Movement, I might find some text that I like on an internet site, and if I wanted to use this information right here, I would highlight the information, click the right button and click Copy. Go back to where I am building the content, and right here at the very top of the box I would paste that content. Please note that if you are going to use things like this off of the internet, I always cite my sources, so I would go and grab this URL, copy, and I would put this in as a parenthetical citation, letting the reader or the students know where I got the information. If you hit submit, and you can see that that content has been built. Now what I want to do is I want to go and find a picture to put in with the text. I'm going to select this picture of Martin Luther King Jr. I'm just going to right click, put Save Image As, put that in my file, and then go back into my class, and then go back into my course, hit the down chevron next to the title because I want to edit that content. Hit Edit. You will see the HTML editor come up again, and I'm going to go ahead and place my cursor right next to the title, and I'm going to select this image right here on top where it says picture. It's a picture image, and I'm going to click to insert. I'm going to hit Browse My Computer, and I'm going to select from my computer the image I just downloaded from the internet. There are 3 tabs that will appear on the top: the General, Appearance, and Advanced. I've selected the image, so the URL has gone right into the URL box, and then I'm going to write an image description. Martin Luther King in Washington. This helps for the descriptive assistive technology like screen readers for our blind students. So I've done everything on that tab I need to do. I will go to the Appearance tab. I want the alignment to be left of the text, so I will click left. The dimensions are huge here, so I want to downsize that, and I'm going to pick 200 pixels in width, and it will actually keep the proportions in the next box. Down in the horizontal space, I'm going to put 15 so as the text does not run into the image. And then go down here to the right hand corner and hit Insert. Your content has been built. There are other things you can do with the text editor. If you go into the Edit, you can highlight text. Let's say I wanted to highlight the Supreme Court ruled unanimously in Brown versus the Board of Education, and I wanted to change that text color to red. I could click here, and you can see that the text has changed in color. So you play around with this content editor, as there will be other things that you will be able to do as well. We have a file. If I wanted to add a file, let's say it was called Civil Rights, I could highlight this text. I want to link it to the file on the Civil Rights Movement that I used earlier. Click Link. I want the source URL. Just paste that URL, hit Submit here, and then I can just use the tag Civil Rights Movement. hit submit, and then submit again up here. And you can see that I've created text, and I've also linked to the Civil Rights Movement document that we used before. So as you play around with this content editor, look at some of the different things that you can do with the editor. I will be giving more tutorials on how to use this editor to build the content.